Hello, this is Jim from Techbuzz, and today we have a new dash cam in from a company called Conbrov, and it's claiming to be the world's smallest Starlight dash cam. And this is it here in all its glory. On the sticker we've got Dashcam Conbrov T17 1.5 and SD card not included and new. On the side here, there's nothing on the back. There's a couple of specs, and what we've got is world's smallest Starlight dashcam, 1.5 inch LCD screen, 110 degrees wide angle, 640, 720 and 1080p pixels, with a card reader for playing video files. So we've also got motion detection, high quality video, and a G sensor too. And we've got some other features here. We've just again the clarity, we've 1080, 720 and 480, and we've got some other features here which is barely legible. And let's take it out and have a look. We'll take off the plastic, and just pop that to one side. And yes, it's a sleeve, so we'll just slide off like so. And nothing on the box here, so let's slide it off. It's a nice solid rigid box though, so can't complain there. And there we go, we've got a VIP card inside, and we've got this UNICEF card here for every child a fair chance. So if we leave a review, or anyone leaves a review on their channel, they'll return the favour by donating $1 to UNICEF, so not bad. So with this VIP card you get free software upgrades, which is pretty much standard anyway, priority support, be first in line for new products and exclusive discounts, and extend your warranty to 18 months. So that's what you'll get, which is not bad at all. And you'll get a new SD card with your new product, so cool. So we'll take out merchandise here and see what we get inside. So we've got a warranty policy here, and that's pretty straightforward. We've got our user guide here, we've got a USB key here, which is cool. So this is the USB 2.0, so you can put your card in there, so that's for reading files on the card. So that's pretty nice, but like, it would have been even more sweeter if they gave you an SD card, but sure, we're not going to complain about that. Here we've got our standard micro USB cable for connection. We have our car charger here, pretty standard again, looks long enough and decent enough. We've a SIM retrieval tool here by the looks of it, so you have that. And then of course you have your window mount here, so this will stick to the window and the unit will go on there itself. So this is it here in size. It is tiny. So we've got an OK button here, mode, and a power key on the side. We've up and down volumes, and we can see we can put our micro SD card in there, and this has a little bit of wiggle room. USB here to charge, so we'll just see if there's any power in it, and it doesn't look like just anything there at the moment, so we'll have to charge her up and check it out. And yes, so here's where you attach it to your window mount like so. Pretty simple operation there, and there you have it. And here we also have a reset button underneath here. So all in all, pretty cool indeed. It looks very small. It is small, and it'll be interesting to see what kind of quality footage we get off it and how it phases out over some testing. So when we get some reviews or some samples, we'll post them up, and be sure to stay tuned. So that's the Conbrov world's smallest dash cam, and that, yes, I have to see for myself. I'm not 100% sure about that, but if they say it is. But it's pretty neat, pretty small. And again, something like this is something you could probably put in your car that's not sticking out for people to see. You know, make it obvious that you have a dash cam on board. You know, with a motion sensor on, it's pretty cool. So it can pick up if someone bumps off your car, stuff like that, whatever the case may be. That's pretty much it. It's simple and it's basic too. We've just got 4 keys here and 2 here. Keys are raised well enough, so good travel on them, and not too much messing around. But we'll check it out and we'll get back to you soon. And we'll probably do up another video after this with the menu on this to show you what exactly you get on it. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.